Okay, welcome back. Okay, so another one. Okay, this is another common statement that you will come across. Okay, every semester. Okay, now, what is the variable of interest? Okay, or variable to be measured. Okay, variable of interest or variable to be measured, it is the same. Okay, the meaning is the same. It's actually, what is this case study about? Okay, what is the case study about? Okay, now, they have two types of variables. Okay, the first one will be quantitative. Okay, so quantitative is the numerical side. Okay, so quantitative here, you got two. One is discrete, another one is continuous. Now, listen carefully. Every time you see this kind of question, right? Okay, again, it may come into structured questions, it may come into true and false, and even the case study involved. Okay, so when you name it, it will be in pairs. You'll be quantitative, discrete, or discrete quantitative. Okay, so it will be quantitative, discrete, or quantitative, continuous. It must be in pairs. If you miss out the word quantitative, marks will not be given. Okay, so be careful with that. Okay, so what is discrete means? Okay, discrete means the data that can be counted. For example, how many students in the class, how many chairs are available in the room, and so on. Okay, how many? Okay, you just remember this, something that you can count, so that will be discrete. Okay, continuous. What is continuous? Continuous is something that you can measure. Okay, something that you can measure. For example, the length, the weight, the height, and so on. Okay, now my question to you, how about age? Okay, how about age? Age. Okay, so this will be about what? It will be about discrete or continuous. It will be about, is it discrete quantitative or quantitative discrete or quantitative continuous? It will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be quantitative continuous. Okay, some of you may get the answer. Okay, some of you may confuse. Madam, how does this come in? Okay, so how is supposed to get the things in? Because age is what? Age is actually the measure on what? On the time length. Agree? Yes. For example, a newborn, it's just born for 3 hours, 2 seconds, for example, like your age. Okay, it can be 20 years old, 4 months, 3 days, for example. So okay, so age is under quantitative continuous because it's actually measure the time length. Okay, now let's go for qualitative. Okay, now qualitative are categorical. Okay, that is, they will have 4 scale of measurement here. Okay, the first one will be nominal. Okay, now nominal here is actually a symbol. In other words, will be just a representative. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, it will just a representative, nothing more. Okay, so for example, gender. You can have male for M, then F for female, right? Can I have F for male, then female for M? Can, because it's just a symbol. The only things that you need to highlight what actually the symbol is. You get what I mean? Okay, so let us continue. What else? You can also name as by using numbers, right? Okay, you can use numbers as well. No harm. Okay, let's say language. You can put BM as 1, English as 2. Okay, like the operator that we used to. Press 1 for BM, Bahasa Malaysia. Press 2 for English. Press 3 for Mandarin and so on. Okay, you can use numbers to present. Same thing with the colors as well. Okay, so but whatever you put the symbol, you must name it. Okay, you must name it. So this is about nominal. Second one will be ordinal. You see, I purposely highlight the synonym here. Ordinal, so order. It must be in order. Either the ascending order, that is from small to big, or descending order, that is big to small. Okay, so for example, level of satisfaction, like the time you fill up your SU4, the time you have your questionnaire been done. Okay, so after that, what else? Level of education. You can have 1 for diploma, 2nd for degree, 3rd for master degree, and so on. Okay, medal prize. Okay, this one should not be a problem. 1 for gold, 2 for silver, 3 for bronze, and so on. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you need to follow the order. So don't be confused between these two. Okay, nominal is on symbol. Ordinal is about orders. Okay, just simple like that. Okay, another 2. The third one, interval. What is interval? Interval means 0, not meaningful. What does it mean here? Okay, now 0 here means the number 0 here means nothing. But in interval, 0 is not meaningful. For example, temperature. 50 degrees Celsius is not twice hot as 100 degrees Celsius. Right? Even though you have 0 degree, doesn't mean that they have no temperature inside the fridge? No. Okay? I hope you get the idea. Because what we are dealing here is the number. Okay, ratio. Ratio, 0 is meaningful. Okay, 0 is meaningful. Okay, 0 is meaningful. Okay. So, for example, carry marks. Okay, I'm sure it's meaningful, right? Okay, if this semester, touch wood, your carry mark is 0. So what does it mean? You're gonna fail, right? Same thing. If your salary is 0, so what will you do? I think that will be a disaster for us, right? Okay, for all the for us that is working, right? Okay, just joking. Okay, so can you get the idea? So again, you see, I purposely put as a comparison here, see that? Okay, so for ordinal, okay, so for ordinal is order, nominal is symbol. Okay, same goes with the 2. Okay, interval, interval, you have 0, not meaningful. Ratio, 0 is meaningful. Okay, just simple like this.